Unlocking the mystery of foreclosure listings. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. If you're interested in the world of real estate, especially in understanding some of its more complex terms, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unlock the mystery behind foreclosure listings. This topic might sound a bit complicated at first, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, step by step, to make sure you get a clear and thorough understanding. Before we dive into what foreclosure listings are, let's understand the term foreclosure. Foreclosure is a legal process in which a lender attempts to recover the balance of a loan from a borrower who has stopped making payments to the lender by forcing the sale of the asset used as the collateral for the loan. In simpler terms, if someone can't pay back their mortgage, the lender can take back the property to sell it and get their money back. Now, onto foreclosure listings. These are public notices or listings that identify properties in foreclosure or on the verge of being foreclosed. They are usually listed in newspapers, online, or in public records. Foreclosure listings are crucial for various stakeholders in the real estate market, including investors looking for properties to buy at a lower cost, real estate agents, and potential homebuyers seeking opportunities. Foreclosure listings are important for several reasons. For investors and homebuyers, they represent an opportunity to find properties that might be available for prices below market value. This can be particularly appealing for first-time homebuyers or investors looking to expand their portfolios. For the community and local government, managing and understanding foreclosures can help in addressing and possibly preventing blight or a decline in property values in neighborhoods with high foreclosure rates. Using foreclosure listings effectively requires some know-how. Here are a few tips. Research. Always do your homework. Understand the property's value, condition, and the amount owed in foreclosure. Inspect. If possible, visit and inspect the property. Some foreclosed properties may need significant repairs. Understand the process. Buying a foreclosed property can be different from a traditional sale. It often involves auctions and strict payment terms. Legal and financial advice. It's wise to consult with real estate professionals or legal advisors who specialize in foreclosures. We hope this video has shed some light on foreclosure listings and made the concept a bit more approachable. Whether you're a budding real estate investor, a potential homebuyer, or simply curious about the topic, understanding foreclosure listings is an essential part of navigating the real estate market. Remember, while they can offer great opportunities, it's important to approach them with caution and due diligence. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you in the future. Happy learning!